Let's find out. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into why people just can't hate you and how you can use this to your advantage. Some people just seem to glide through life and everyone adores them. What's their secret? Did they find a magic lamp? Maybe not, but there are traits that make someone incredibly likable. And that's what we're going to explore today. Ready? Let's do this. Be genuine. Truly, unapologetically you. Authenticity is a breath of fresh air. People can spot fakeness a mile away. Trying to be someone else is exhausting. Admire those who are just them. Embrace your quirks and passions. That's what makes you magnetic. Next up, let's talk about empathy. Oh, this is such a beautiful one. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of another person. It's like for a moment you're stepping out of your own world and into theirs, seeing things from their perspective. It's not about agreeing with them, necessarily, or even fixing their problems, but it's about acknowledging their feelings and letting them know they're heard. You know, sometimes people just want to feel understood more than they want advice. Showing empathy creates such a strong bond. It makes people feel validated and cared for. Think about a time someone truly empathized with you. Didn't it make you feel closer to them? Didn't it make you feel, well, less alone? That's the power of it. It's a fundamental human need to feel seen and understood, and when you offer that to someone, it's a gift. It's like giving someone a warm, invisible hug with your understanding. Alright, let's tune in to our next secret. Be a good listener. Now I know what you're thinking, Majorel. I have ears, of course I listen. But there's a world of difference between just hearing sounds and truly actively listening. Being a good listener means giving someone your undivided attention. It means putting down your phone, making eye contact, and really focusing. When you truly listen, you're sending a powerful message. You matter. Your thoughts and opinions are valuable to me. Let's move on to something that can literally brighten a room. Stay positive. A positive attitude is absolutely contagious in the best way possible. You know those people who walk into a room and it just feels like the energy lifts? They're like human sunshine. They tend to see the good in situations, the silver linings, the possibilities, and being around that kind of energy is just nice. It makes you feel good too. It's like their optimism rubs off on you, and suddenly your own day feels a little brighter, a little more hopeful. Now this doesn't mean you have to be a bubbly, bouncing off the walls ray of sunshine 24/7. We all have our off days, and that's perfectly okay and human. Being positive isn't about ignoring reality or pretending problems don't exist. It's about your general outlook, your approach to life's ups and downs. It's about choosing to focus on solutions rather than dwelling on problems, on gratitude rather than complaints. It's about finding that little spark of light even when things seem a bit dim. Our fifth secret on the path to being unhateable is a truly graceful one. Be humble. Now, humility sometimes gets a bad rap. People might confuse it with being timid or having low self-esteem, but that's not it at all. True humility is about having a modest or low view of one's own importance, but in a confident way. It's knowing your strengths and accomplishments, but not feeling the need to constantly broadcast them or act superior to others. It's about being secure enough in yourself that you don't need to prove anything. Think about it. Nobody really enjoys being around a braggart, right? Someone who constantly toots their own horn or makes every conversation about their amazing achievements. It can be off-putting and make others feel small. Humble people, on the other hand, are approachable and relatable. They make space for others to shine. They're often more interested in learning about others than talking about themselves. This creates a comfortable and equal dynamic in interactions, which people naturally appreciate. Alright, let's talk about a secret that's all about action. Offer help. Being helpful and supportive is one of the most direct ways to endear yourself to others. It's about noticing when someone might be struggling, or could use an extra pair of hands, and then stepping in to offer assistance without expecting anything in return. This could be something small, like holding a door open for someone with full hands, or something bigger, like helping a friend move or offering support during a tough time. The act itself, big or small, speaks volumes. When you offer help, you're showing that you care about others' well-being and that you're willing to go out of your way for them. This creates a sense of community and mutual support. People remember those who were there for them when they needed it. It builds trust and strengthens bonds. It's like saying, I see you, and I'm here for you. This kind of proactive kindness can make a huge difference in someone's day, or even their life. and it certainly makes you a very likable person. Now for a secret that's simple, sweet, and oh so powerful. Show gratitude. Expressing thanks and appreciation can do wonders for your relationships. It's amazing how two little words "thank you" can make someone feel seen, valued, and respected. We often take things for granted, or we assume people know we appreciate them. But explicitly saying it, or showing it, makes a world of difference. It's like sunshine for the soul, both for the giver and the receiver of that gratitude. Think about a time someone genuinely thanked you for something you did, maybe something you thought was small or insignificant. Didn't it make you feel good? Didn't it make you feel like your efforts were noticed and mattered? That's the magic of gratitude. It acknowledges the good in our lives and the good in others. When you regularly express appreciation, you're telling people that you don't take them or their kindness for granted. This fosters a positive environment where people feel motivated to continue being kind and helpful. Chapter 8, RESPECT, find out what it means to them and you. Our next secret is a cornerstone of all healthy relationships. Be respectful. This sounds obvious, right? But what does it really mean to be respectful? It's about treating others with dignity, valuing their perspectives even if they differ from your own, and honoring their boundaries. It's about recognizing the inherent worth in every single person, regardless of their background, beliefs, or status. When you treat others with respect, you're essentially saying, "I see you as an equal human being and I value your presence." Respect is shown in many ways. It's in how you speak to people, using a polite tone, avoiding insults or condescension. It's in how you listen to them, giving them your attention and not dismissing their ideas out of hand. It's also about respecting their time, their personal space, and their privacy. For instance, being punctual for appointments shows respect for their time. Chapter 9. Laugh it off, the joy of humor. Get ready to chuckle because our 9th secret is all about having a sense of humor. Oh, laughter truly is the best medicine, isn't it? And sharing a laugh with someone is one of the quickest ways to bond. A good sense of humor can break the ice in awkward situations, lighten the mood when things get tense, and just generally make interactions more enjoyable for everyone involved. It's like a social lubricant that helps things run more smoothly and with a lot more fun. Who doesn't love to laugh? Having a sense of humor doesn't mean you have to be a stand-up comedian, telling jokes left and right. It's more about being able to find the funny side of life, to not take yourself too seriously, and to appreciate witty banter or a good story. It's about being able to laugh at your own little mistakes or embarrassing moments. When you can do that, it makes you so much more relatable and approachable. It shows you're human and don't expect perfection from yourself or others. Chapter 10. Steady as you go, the trust in consistency. And finally, our 10th secret to being unhateable is, be consistent. Consistency in your actions, your words, and your behavior is what builds trust and reliability. When people know what to expect from you, that you'll be kind, fair, honest, and dependable, they feel secure in their relationship with you. It's like being a steady anchor in a sometimes turbulent sea. People appreciate knowing that the person they interacted with yesterday will be the same person today and tomorrow. Think about it. If someone is warm and friendly one day and then cold and distant the next, it can be really confusing and unsettling. You never quite know where you stand with them. This kind of unpredictability can create anxiety and make it hard to form a genuine connection. But when you're consistent in your positive traits, your kindness, your respectfulness, your integrity, people learn that they can count on you. They know you're not just putting on an act, but that these qualities are genuinely part of who you are. Consistency doesn't mean being boring or rigid. And there you have it, folks. These are the secrets why people just can't hate you. Use them wisely and watch your relationships flourish. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content. See you next time. It's been so much fun sharing these 10 secrets with you today. Remember, it's not about a complete personality overhaul overnight. It's about small, consistent efforts to be more genuine, empathetic, a better listener, more positive, humble, helpful, grateful, respectful, humorous, and consistent. Phew, that was a list. Think of these as tools you can gradually incorporate into your daily interactions. Pick one or two to focus on this week, and see how it feels. You might be surprised at the positive responses you get and, more importantly, how good it makes feel. Because ultimately, being unhateable isn't about manipulating others into liking you. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. Someone who radiates warmth, kindness, and authenticity. And when you do that, the liking part just naturally follows.